Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach third lesson. Okay, what's the third lesson? Patterns. See, first topic, patterns in sound. Every day we heard lot of sounds. Okay, in that sound also has some patterns. Okay, ma, let us see. See, all through the way. The ox cart makes sound. The ox cart, this is ox cart, makes some sound. Okay, what is that sound? Kadamuda gadam. Kadamuda gada. Kadamuda gadam. The ox cart makes the sound Kadamuda gadam all through the way. Okay. See this ox cart. Okay, it's going time. We will get some sound. Okay, what is that sound? Kadamuda gada. Kadamuda gada. Like that it is going on. Okay, mom. So this sound does not change. Okay, next see what is this? This one horse cart. Okay, the horse cart makes sound tuck tuck tick, tuck tuck tick, tuck tuck tick. Okay, the horse cart makes the sound tuck tuck tick all through the way. Okay, every day you watch this sound, ma. Okay, so the horse cart make the sound tuck tuck tick. Okay, so this one also some pattern. See the next one. The cycle bell makes sound trinkling tring, trinkling tring, trinkling tring. Okay, the cycle bell makes the sound trinkling tring all through the way. So this cycle bell also makes some sound. Okay, what is that sound? Trinkling tring. Okay, so this one pattern. Continuously this sound coming. Okay, so this is a pattern. Repeatedly this sound coming. So this is called pattern. Okay, next see the motorcycle makes sound dub 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 dub. Dub dub dub. The motorcycle makes the sound dub 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 all through the way. Okay, so you listen this motorcycle sound. Okay, so this one also creates some word pattern. Okay, so all the sound repeatedly coming. Okay, dub 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 likewise coming. Okay, mom. Next see the train makes sound chick book chick, chick book chick, chick book chick all. The train makes the sound chick book chick all through the way. Okay, see, you know the sound of train, so it is also makes some patterns. Okay, repeatedly chick book chick repeatedly coming. Okay, so this one also some pattern. So this is patterns in sound, repeatedly coming that sound, so that is called pattern. See the next topic, observe and repeat the patterns in sound. See the picture ma, clap one time, after double clap. Okay, so how many times do this activity? 10 times do means we will get some pattern. Okay, next clap 2 times, after tap 2 times. So this activity do means we will 10 times do means we will get some patterns in sound. Next see the picture, clap 2 times, after tap 3 times. Okay, after snap 1 time. Okay, so this activity continuously how many times you can do? 6 times do means we will get some patterns. Okay, this one try it in your house. See, we can extend the patterns in sound in many ways like the above. Okay, so like this do means we will get some sound. Okay, that sound creates some pattern. Okay, ma, this one do it in your house after you observe the pattern. Next, for your practice, create patterns in sound by clapping, tapping and snapping. Okay, so create some pattern. Okay, first clap, after tap, after snap. See, one time you clap, after twice means 2 times. Okay, 2 times you tap, after twice again 2 times you snap. Okay, this activity continuously do means you will get one sound. Okay, that sound you listen means we will get some pattern in that sound. See, 1 time clap, after 2 time tap, after 2 times snap. Okay, ma, this one also try it in your house. See the next topic, music is the sound pattern formed by various musical instrument. Okay, in music also we are using some pattern. Okay, mom, see some musical instrument, this everything is a musical instrument. This instrument from we will get some sound. Okay, so that sounds also create some pattern. See, this one also creates some pattern. Every musical instrument from we get same sound. Okay ma? Okay, for example this veena from we will get same sound. Okay ma? So everything creating some pattern. Okay, see the next topic, making tunes with vessels. Okay ma? Now we are using three vessels. One is plate and spoon and tiffin box. Okay, see this tiffin box, sorry, this plate and this spoon use and we create some sound. Okay ma? One time here tap. Next this tiffin box and this spoon use and two times or three times. Okay, you tap means we will get some sound. Here one time tap, after here three times tap means continuously do means we will get some sound. Okay, that sound also makes some patterns. Okay, see the next topic, my own tune. Create your own patterns in sound using materials available in your locality such as toys, sticks, etc. Okay, see here some sticks and toys are there. Okay, in this toy from we get the sound. Okay, each and every toys have some separate sounds. For example, this drum means we will get some sound. Okay, next this toy from we will get some sound. Okay, next this stick tab means we will get some sound. Okay, next the bell shake means we will get some sound. Okay, similar sounds. Okay, these every toys, the sticks, bells, everything making some different sounds. Okay, so you heard means it will create some pattern. See the next topic. Let us create our own musical instrument by following the given steps. See the first step. Take a tin, a balloon, a rubber band and two sticks and a pair of scissors. Okay, take one balloon, after two rubber band, next scissor, two sticks and one tin. Okay, second step, cut the balloons as shown in the figure. Okay, cut the balloon like this. Okay ma? After take the bigger part, fix the balloon on the tin. Okay, this bigger part here we closed. Okay, closed after use the rubber band, after tightly close it. Okay, next fourth step, create a sound pattern of your own and share it with your friends. Okay, here this stick use and here tab means we will get some sound. Okay, that sound observe means you will get one pattern. Next topic, patterns in body movements and sound. Okay, see here Kummiyaattam. Okay, ma, observe this picture. The girls are dancing. Okay, dancing in a circle. Okay, observe this picture. Now answer the following questions. What do you see in above picture? Okay, what do you see in this picture? We can see girls are playing, okay, or dancing. Okay, what is this dance? This dance is called Kummiyaattam. Okay, next, on which occasion this type of dance is performed? Okay, in our festival time we can dancing this Kummiyaattam. Okay ma'am. Next, what type of sound is based on base of Kummiyaattam? Okay, in Kummiyaattam what type of sound will come? Okay, that is clapping sound. Okay ma? Okay, so what type of sound is base of Kummiyaattam? Okay, Kummiyaattam we can using the what sound? Clapping sound. See the next topic, land and sky game. Land and sky game. Okay, play the land and sky game by following instruction given below. See this picture, girls are playing. Okay, if the teacher says land, the student should clap their hand downwards as given in the picture. Okay, if the teacher said land means, okay, where's the land? It is down. Okay, so downwards the girls are clapping. Okay, so the girls are bent, after downward they are clapping. Okay, next, if the teacher says the sky, the student should clap their hands upwards as given in the picture. Okay, see now the teacher says sky. Okay, where is the sky? That is upward. Okay, so the girls are standing straightly, after they are clapping up. Okay, down. Land means we are clapping downwards, after sky means we are clapping what? Upwards. Okay, So let us play and enjoy the patterns in body movements and sound. Okay. So here all the girls are all the girls body movements are same. Okay. Land means all the girls are bend and clapping downwards. Okay. Here they are using same pattern and sounds also same sound. Next, the teacher said sky means the girls are standing straightly. Okay. After what they do, clapping upwards. Okay. So same movement, same body movement, and we will get same sound. Next topic, dance, dance, dance. See, observe the variation in pattern. Enjoy the perform the body movements using instruments shown. Okay. See here, he has some sticks. Okay. That is called kolatam. Okay, mom. See, first left, after right, next up, down. Okay, next left, right, up, down. Likewise, we tap means we will get some sound. Okay. Next, she has some musical instrument. See, first down, after up, after left, after right. Okay, down, up, left, right. Okay, this same procedure going on. Okay, mom. Okay, so it will create some pattern. First down, after up after left, after right. Again down, up, left, right. So this one continuously coming. Okay, ma. See this picture. First left, right, up, down. Again left, right, up, down. Okay. So in this dancing movements also create some pattern. Left, right, up, down. Left, right, up, down. Okay. Here also down, up, left, right. Down, up, left, right. Okay. Here creating some pattern and sounds. See the next topic. Combined patterns of sound and body movements are used in dance forms like Karagam, Oilatam and Bharadam. Okay. See here Karagatam. All the girls' body movements are same. Okay. Next Oilatam. Here also all the girls' body movements are same. Okay. Next Bharadam. Here also body movements are same. Okay, mom. So here also we will get what? Some pattern. Okay. Next topic, patterns in colors. Okay, patterns in colors. Next, in a jungle. Okay, see here lot of animals is there. Okay, this is giraffe, zebra, lion, tortoise and honeybees. Next here butterflies, deer, tiger. Okay, next zebra, monkey, squirrel. Next snakes. Lot of animals is there. Okay, these animals also has some pattern in that body portions. Okay, here see dotted lines. Okay, here black and white lines. Okay, here dotted lines. So these identifications or patterns. Okay, here dotted lines. Okay, butterflies means this wings has some designs. Okay, so these every animals has the patterns. Okay, mom. See, for example, this deer means spotted lines are there. Okay, spotted dots are there. Okay, these patterns help us to identify the animals. Okay, so this animal has lot of colors. Okay, in its body portion. Next topic, observe and identify the patterns of colors in these objects. Okay, here some objects are there. Okay, here what are the things available? Colors are available. Okay, different colors and different designs. Okay, different designs are there. See here says tie means here checked lines. Okay, here this lollipop and this mat, ball, bed, this carpet, everything has the patterns. Okay, patterns means what more? Similar color, similar design, similar sound, everything we can say. Okay. Next for your practice, color and complete the pattern. Okay, here we want to give the color. See here some circle is there. Here light green color, after dark green color 3, after 1 light green color, after 3 dark green, after 1 light green, after 3 dark green. Okay, likewise you give the color. Next see this train. Here some patterns are used. Here circles and rectangles are there. Okay, one sky blue color, two orange. One sky blue, two orange. After what you give here, one sky blue. After two orange. After one sky blue, two orange. Okay, see these wheels here, one orange. Here what you yellow color use, mom. One orange, here two yellow. One orange, two yellow. One orange, two yellow. One orange, two yellow. Like this you want to give the color. Next see this umbrella here, violet color. After here yellow color, violet yellow alternately you want to give the color. Okay, so in this design also has some pattern. Here also using some patterns. Okay, next see this drums here, zigzag lines are there. See here triangle also there. So here what you give here, violet color. So here also we want to give 1, 2, 3 violet colors. Next here you give the orange color, 1, 2, 3 orange color. Okay, next see this pattern, see this design here. So here 2 red color, 2 orange, 2 red, 2 orange. Likewise you want to give the color. Okay ma, this page number your homework, neatly color it. See the next topic, patterns in colors are seen in dress. Next rangoli, decoration and paintings. Okay, where we are seeing the patterns in our dress. Next rangoli designs, they using some pattern. Next decorations and painting the wall. Okay, everywhere we can see the pattern. See here dress, rangoli, next this decoration, everywhere they are using some patterns. So okay, so patterns means nothing but that is a design, similar design. Okay, next topic, plait a bunting. Okay, see, prepare a bunting by pasting color papers of different colors in a patterns and shown below. Here see a lot of triangle sheets available, triangle color papers. Here one green color, after yellow, sky blue, after brown, next green. After green, after what? Yellow. Okay, yellow after what? Sky blue. Sky blue after brown. Brown after again green. Okay, likewise it one going on. Okay mom. Okay, so here using some patterns. Okay, see yellow, green, yellow, sky blue, brown. Again green, yellow, sky blue, brown. Green, yellow, sky blue, brown. Okay, so here repeatedly coming. These four color repeatedly coming. Okay, next you take a rectangle sheet, after fold like this, after center from again you fold and cut, means you will get this white color sheet. Okay, again brown color sheet taken like this do, means you will get this design. Okay, after these designs you arrange one by one and paste it. White, brown, white, brown, white, brown, one by one you fold, means you will get this design. Okay, next take 4 color papers, after you keep like this, after you fold this one. Okay, fold, after again you keep one color, again fold, likewise do, means you will get this design, this decoration. Use the color papers and these designs you try it in your house. Next for your practice, let's design a dress. Okay, follow your own color patterns and design the dresses given below. Okay, here 4 dresses are there, one top and one skirt, next shirt, after trouser. Okay, here what you do, you want to give the color. Okay, your own idea, you give the color. Okay ma, this page is your homework. Okay, thank you. Next class we will see.